Hey guys, today I'm coming at you with another Gamdias product, and this one I'm excited about. Today's product is the Gamdias Aeolus M2 124R RGB case fans. The name's a struggle, but the product is quite the opposite. With their easy installation, ability to use in any case, and beautiful 3-ring RGB lighting, I gotta say, I'm a fan. So in the box, you get the 4 fans with 3 rings of RGB. You get your standard, what I'll call lighting hub to plug all the fans into, plus 2 LED connectors. And the thing that's really cool, you also get a remote to control the fans. So how good really is the remote? Well, it's actually really convenient. Instead of having to change the lighting effects through the software, all you have to do is pick up the remote, aim it at the PC, and click the button you want. Now, I'm sure you're all wondering, what changes can you make to the fans using the remote? And there's actually a lot. For example, 55 different lighting effects, fan speed control, lighting speed control, RGB brightness control, and even the ability to turn off the RGB altogether, which most people probably won't do. The lighting hub features 8 fan connectors that are in a stacked 3-pin design, which isn't standard, but that's why you'll need the lighting hub. You also get a connector that will let you connect the lighting hub to another one to double the capacity of fans in your PC to 16. Theoretically, you could probably hook up an infinite amount of fans, and I would want to see that. The lighting hub also connects via SATA power and comes with a sticky magnetic pad so you can magnet the lighting hub onto the case you're using. Unfortunately though, my case doesn't have enough room in the back for the lighting hub. By the way, the case is the Gamdias Aeolus M1. I reviewed that last video. The card will be right up here. So I had to get creative and attach it to the roof of the power supply shroud, which I actually kind of like doing. Luckily, the fan wire was long enough. In the end, though, I really liked having the lighting hub on the roof of the power supply shroud, especially since I found out you could actually move the drive bays over, creating much more room for cable management. Now, in terms of specs, they really aren't bad at all. The 3-ring RGB lighting looks really good, and I actually think these fans are a direct competitor to the Corsair LL120 fans. The fans use hydraulic bearings, which claim they're quiet, but really, they aren't even that quiet on their quietest setting. Just some other random, maybe important to you specs include the fans spinning up to 1500 rotations per minute, 56 CFM airflow, SATA power connector, 6-pin fan connector, addressable RGB, and even the ability to connect the lighting hub to your motherboard so you can customize the RGB with the motherboard manufacturer sync software. Alright, so right now I'm just going to go over about the 55 different lighting effects on the case. If you want to skip all of that and go right to the outro to finish the video, skip to about 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So guys, what else really is there to say about case fans? I mean, they look pretty good, as you can see. 4 come in the box. That's really all. What else do I say?
I don't know, finish a way to close it off.
Well, okay, Eric, I know about the fans, though. So, guys, that is going to wrap it up for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of these fans. Are they really worth being compared to the Corsair LL series? Do they look good enough for you guys to put them in your case? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any more questions about the fans, just be sure to comment those, and you're guaranteed a response, as I have responded to every comment from the past 6 months. If you guys did enjoy the video, a sub and a like would be greatly appreciated, and after you subscribe, you can even turn the post notifications on so you get notified every time I upload and you don't miss the next couple of videos, which are going to be very cool. And with that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.